This tea is really good. I hope that I won't be spilling any today. Same Brain mugs, link in the description. Do you guys know what's in front of me right now? Of course you do. Airpods Max. They are here, and I can't believe it. These have been rumored for quite a while, but of course they were rumored under the name of AirPods Studio. And when this name was finally announced, not only did people have a lot to say about the name, but they had even more to say about the price. At $549, they're a pretty expensive pair of headphones, but are they worth it? Oh, should we get this unboxing underway? Thought we would maybe go for something a little tiny today. Just kidding. I don't even need a knife, do I? I'm so excited about this. These come in 5 different colors. This is the space gray. There's also a silver, a pink, a sky blue, and a green. Basically the same exact colors as the new iPad Air. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. Who says that? Who says okay?
Lil Jon.
Yes. Oh, this is paper. I thought this was the color of them. Oh, this is nice. I'm looking off camera at Tyler. He's like, pretty. Okay, here they are. Gonna set them right there. Let's just see what's in here. I was hoping that they would have a matching lightning cable for each of the headphones, but they don't. It's just the basic lightning to USB-C. I do wish that they would have made these USB-C, but it kind of makes sense because all of the other AirPods in the AirPods family are all lightning, and the phone is lightning. Makes sense. It's magnetic. Kind of like the Smart Folio case on the iPad. This soft mesh, this kind of feels like the HomePod covering. Super soft. This is the first taking out of the case moment. There will never be another one after this. Oh, they're light.
Maybe do it for the top down.
Go, there will never be another one. This is take 2. Ear cups off. I'm speechless. Okay, let's get these connected. You basically are just able to bring it next to each other and they should automatically connect. Here we go. Press the noise control button to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. The media control, press the digital crown once to play, pause twice. Okay, oh my goodness. I'm so ready. They're connected, they're connected. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Are you ready? Holy crap, I'm excited. It's such a nice fit. Like you don't even feel this sitting on your head. This is why they call it AirPods, because it feels like I'm floating on a freaking cloud. I need to listen to something right now. Transparency mode is on. Tyler, say something.
Hi.
Hey, I can hear you.
Oh, hello.
I wish and it's like so super clear. It's almost like I'm not even wearing these. I don't even feel this touching the top of my head. It's so wild. Okay, noise cancellation is now on. I heard you say something, I don't know what you said. Play No Osiris, July. So if you press the digital crown button, that activates Siri. I'm gonna turn up with the digital crown. Oh, it even has the little click sound that the Apple Watch makes. I have it so loud. Like, I think it's all the way up. I actually can't hear my own voice right now. You gotta put these on. Get over here, get over here. So you're probably gonna have to adjust this a little bit. I actually never even adjusted it yet. I was even listening to that over top of my hair.
Whoa, whoa.
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 I'm waiting,
Whoa.
What do you think?
I can't hear myself.
Right?
I can't hear myself.
I know.
Am I still talking?
Yeah.
I just keep saying whoa.
I know.
Play Laugh Now, Cry Later by Drake.
The tears of Twitter taste delicious.
I have them turned up all the way and I'm yelling and I can't hear my voice. And it's perfectly clear with no distortion at all.
This is the loudest that I've ever heard Tyler raise his voice. I
literally have no idea what you're doing or saying.
I have never heard him talk louder. This is it.
Listen
okay. Wait, aren't they comfy?
Oh my God.
I'm so in shock right now because like I knew they were gonna be good and I know everyone's expecting me to be like Apple fangirl Justine, you got an I in front of your name, like you're gonna like them no matter what. No, I am honestly, genuinely surprised. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that I can't hear myself. This is so weird. You know, hold on. You know what this fine gentleman Drake once said?
What?
We started from the bottom, now we hear. I mean, I don't know what else to say. Like, I'm honest, I am not being a fangirl right now because I really wanted to be critical. I wanted to have something to say. They're incredibly comfortable. Like, I don't feel this on the top of my head. A lot of headphones, you'll be able to feel this pressure on the top of your head. Where I do feel most of the pressure is kind of interesting because it is sort of like right around here. But it's giving you that seal around your ear. I still have transparency mode on, and it sounds like I'm talking perfectly clear, but there's 9 microphones on here, did you know that? We're gonna get into the tech details. I wanted to do that before I did the test. But now I'm so shook, I can't even think straight. When they first announced this, obviously the AirPods are meant to be wireless. But for me as an editor, and for a lot of other people who do a lot of stuff where you need to have no latency in editing or in some type of music production, I need to be able to plug these in. So this is their Lightning to 3.5 millimeter audio jack. This is crazy because I still have the transparency mode on, so I can kind of hear my hair rubbing on the microphone, but it sounds so perfectly clear that it's like I'm talking without these on. And then when I lift this up, it automatically disconnects from my phone. And then as soon as I put it back on, I hear it again connecting to my phone. I got distracted. So this is the Lightning to 3.5 millimeter. And I've been looking for something similar to this style for our podcast that my sister and I do. You guys may have seen that we have mugs now. Tea has never tasted better. I wanted to use these for podcasting, but you have to plug them in. So that's where this comes into play. So this is a Lightning to 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So I'll be able to use this and plug this into our Rodecaster so we can use these as we normally would use other headphones for our podcasting. And I am gonna try this out because we're actually shooting our podcast tomorrow. So this Saturday, if you guys wanna check out our podcast where I'm going to be using these, check out youtube.com/samebrain, or you can find us on Apple Podcasts as Same Brain, or you can go to anchor.fm/samebrain. All of the places, wherever you listen to a podcast, it's probably there. That's gonna be a real test because we'll be wearing these for like over an hour and a half. The comfort level, Anyway, there's so much more that I need to tell you about these. So the new Airpods Max have high fidelity audio with an Apple designed 40 millimeter dynamic driver that will produce well-balanced sound across the entire audible range. These also have a pair of Apple H1 chips for computational audio that is capable of executing over 9 billion operations per second to adapt the audio to the fit and seal of your ear. This is called adaptive EQ. This actually measures the sound signal being delivered to your ears and will be able to adjust the low and mid frequencies in real time based on the fit and the seal around your ear, also taking into account glasses, hair, or even piercings. So for their noise cancellation, they have 8 microphones that's able to capture and cancel all of the unwanted noise. There's 3 outward-facing microphones on each ear cup, and there's 1 on the inside that's able to listen to the sound of what your ears are hearing. So using that H1 chip, it's able to analyze the data and is able to create an equal and opposite sound that will then reduce the unwanted sound. Transparency mode is something that is on almost all high-end headphones at this point. So this will allow you to turn off the noise cancellation so you'll be able to hear the world around you. You're able to turn this on or off on your iPhone, your Apple Watch, or even on the headphones directly with this button right here. Spatial audio is also something that is very interesting, and they did announce this before, and it is in the latest AirPods Pro with the latest iOS update, but I actually have not tried this yet. So this is gonna be so exciting that I'm gonna be able to test out the spatial audio for the first time on the AirPods Pro Max. So what this spatial audio is it basically gives you a theater-like experience with dynamic head tracking. So the sound is always mapped directly to your content. So as you move your head, the accelerometer and the gyroscopes both in your AirPods, your iPhone, or your iPad will constantly be tracking and comparing the motion of your head to your device. So Apple is obviously known for their attention to detail and design, and I really love the look of these. So this is a stainless steel headband, and it has a mesh headrest and these memory foam ear cushions, which magnetically attach to your AirPods. And you can also mix and match these if you want to get an extra pair. So they're $65 a piece, so you can get them as a replacement, or if you just want a different color. The digital crown is a really nice feature that is pulled from the Apple Watch, and this will let you adjust the volume by turning the dial or push once to play, pause, or answer a call. Twice to skip forward, 3 times to skip back, and then press hold for Siri. There's an optical sensor in each cup that will detect when it's placed on your head, and positional sensors where the headband meets each ear cup that will be able to detect the movement and rotation. There's also an additional 9th microphone that is used to enhance your voice during phone calls. So these have a 20-hour battery life and this smart case for storage. There's a built-in magnet that activates the case, detect, and the sensor in each ear cup so that it'll be able to place the Airpods Max into an ultra-low power state to preserve the battery. So we're now gonna do a spatial audio test. I've never tried this before. I know it is in the AirPods Pro, but for whatever reason, I haven't tried it yet. So today is the day. We've got the Mandalorian all loaded up here. So in the control center, when you long press into the volume, this gives you your noise transparency control, and then you can also turn spatial audio off or on. Let me turn it off and see what that sounds like first. Spatial audio is off. Turning my head, nothing's happening. Now let's turn it on. Okay, now it's on. Oh my gosh! It's like I'm in the Mandalorian right now. Hold that thought. Hold that thought! Try spatial audio once. Becomes a Jedi very quickly. The look on Tyler's face is very scared. Let's see here. Will I hurt myself or somebody? Yep. Where does that leave us in terms of this review? Spatial audio's cool, dude. Oh, another test. Podcast test. There it is. Ready for podcasting. Look at that. It's so small. Hello? Hello? Turn this up. Oh my gosh, it's freaking perfect. It sounds like I have transparency mode on, but I don't because I'm talking through the microphone and it's coming through my head.
What if you put transparency mode on?
Then it's just gonna really mess with me. Hello? Oh, this is just weird. I'm talking to myself through myself. Oh my goodness. Jenna is gonna lose her mind. Tomorrow, we're gonna get Jenna's reaction. And she's incredibly cynical. It's hard to impress her. I think she's gonna be impressed. Try with glasses? With glasses. Why I gotta try with glasses? You have glasses on.
Yeah, it feels good.
Podcast game has just been elevated. Oh man, my head is small.
Oh yeah.
This is perfect. I don't even know. It's been really difficult. I'm sure many people who wear glasses have had the struggle of wearing glasses with headphones. Tyler's like, yep, me. I mean, I also wear glasses, but most of the time I do wear contacts, but this is nice. This is nice. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. This was kind of just a first look and a first impression of the AirPods Pro Max. I keep calling it the Pro Max, but it's just the Max. I am honestly way more impressed than I thought I was gonna be because obviously like I knew they were gonna be cool because they are incredibly expensive. But here's the thing, you're paying for what you're getting.
It's crazy.
I know.
I know. It's totally beyond anything I expected. Like I
Same.
thought they'd be nice, but